Hi guys. So in this course of how to write online to get paid by Google, we teach you what to write about. Okay, we teach you what to write about, how to write it quickly, and how to apply to Google AdSense. Actually, the platform where we apply to get paid is called Google AdSense, and Google AdSense is a program run by Google for which the website advert publishes in Google network of content serves text, images, and video and all that stuff. Okay. So in your free time, you can even actually search about Google AdSense. And this is where you sign up. They tell you like you can create will help you earn. Okay. So in this course, in this practical course, it runs for 5 days. In 5 days, you get to learn how to work with content, what to write about. Remember, most of the people we train are not really like they are passionate about writers. Yes, if you're passionate about writers, that would be perfect. But most of the clients are like they just want to have a skill where they can earn some money. Okay, so we train you what to write about. Okay, you realize the person is going to write about, let me say, cars. It won't earn the same way as someone who's going to write about finance, won't get the same way as someone who's going to write about games or health or news. Okay. So, for example, news, maybe in Europe, uh, someone can get like 500. Okay. For like maybe minimum of like 50K traffic people. If you're writing about finance, you can get like 2,500 to five. That is like almost like 4 times. So it matters the category of what you write about. It's very important to know what you're going to write about, to choose a right niche to write your content in. Okay, so in this training we kind of show you how to write, how to search things about, what to write about, and how to begin, like everything. For example, I can be going to write about health. Let me say depression. Let me first start by depression. Okay, depression. Google will give me a hit. Okay, people usually search like, how does depression feel? I can get this and I type it here. Then you realize like there are more things like, how do people live in depression? Like you get to know what people are trying to search about this stuff. Okay, now in the real practical course, we even go in the depth of how you can generate several topics on one thing. Okay, now, we don't forget to use ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT has to be, we use usually ChatGPT. So you don't have to be like very good in English. No, there's an AI that can help us to learn. And during the learning, we kind of show you how to write unique content. For example, how do people live with depression? If someone types it here and searches, let me tell ChatGPT to write about this article. Write article about how do people live in depression? How do people live with depression? Okay. Let me try to let me try to reload this. I think I was logged out or something. Okay, let me say I type in this. ChatGPT will give me kind of some information about that. Okay, but what if there are 1,000 people who are searching the same thing, who are doing blogs, who are going to do content writing, and they search the same thing in ChatGPT? Will this answer be different from the 1,000 people? The answer may be like actually almost a bit similar. So in this training, we show you how to create this content to be unique. Okay. And that is the most important thing, because if it was all about putting it in ChatGPT, then when you get in ChatGPT, you paste in your website, then you apply for Google Ads, then you get, it would have been much more simpler. But the problem is Google wants you to give unique content. So it's not all about getting a question like this, then you paste in in ChatGPT. No, there's a way you make this article to be unique. And that is the art that we kind of teach you when we're doing this training. Okay, so someone may say, okay, how am I going to earn when I'm going to write this thing? How does it work? Actually, after writing this content, you have to come up with a blog site like this. So in this course, actually, we just kind of help you to buy a domain. By the way, you can buy a domain, or you can have your own domain. We can help you set up a blog site for free. Okay, that is included in the course training, by the way. So your work is to kind of come up with content. For example, we are actually web developers, but I can talk about finance stuff. Okay, how to, so I usually get this content posted in my website. You realize there are ads here. Okay, you even realize like there are several ads which are running. For example, if you open this article, there's an ad which is running here. There's even an ad which is running here. There are several ads. So these ads, when people come to read my content, they end up actually clicking on these ads and also reading about these ads. So I end up getting some money from I end up getting some money from these people who come to read my articles. Okay, so you just have to focus on creating the content, then Google will be paying you. Okay, that's why it says like, you know what, you create and we help you earn. So your work is to create the content, their work is to pay you. As simple as that, okay? So we show you how to write unique content, not just copy a question, then put in ChatGPT, then get an answer, because that's what people think. And you get this information pasted in your website. No, actually, it's more than that. You have to kind of make this information a bit unique. Okay, so that is how we kind of do this course, and this course can run for you. So it's amazing how you can write content, and even if actually you're known to an experience in an area, of course, ChatGPT can really do that for you. In my website, you find actually me. I'm talking about a lot of stuff. I'm talking about even Tesla shares. Yet I actually don't even. I've never bought any Tesla shares, but in my article, you realize actually I'm advising people what to do. Okay. So I'm talking about this actually platform. Some of these platforms I really don't have any clue about actually how they work, but there's a way I can do a research. ChatGPT can help you to do a research and do something perfect. Okay. So so what happens? You have to generate the content, apply for Google Ads via the other Google AdSense platform. You get optimized. So when people read your content, they see these ads load as they read your content, so you earn from that. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Last payment was kind of good. Last month I got like $606.23, and I think there was an article actually which got viral, because my average payments are usually between like I think like 210 to $300. Okay, because I really don't really have time allowed to write. But if you're kind of there, you can really actually make writing your full time. By the way, you can really make writing your full time job, because this is a platform some people can get $1,000 per month. Others, I think there's a guy I've seen on YouTube is getting like almost like $10,000 in a month from his Google AdSense. Has a very good blog for the last 6 years. Okay. And the good thing about this is the money that you can earn per month. Even if you stop writing, you're going to be given this money every month for the rest of your life. Unless maybe what you wrote about gets outdated. So this is something worthy to invest in time. We have courses. We have a course for this. It goes for 5 days. You can do it on one on Zoom, though one-on-one is kind of expensive. You can do it. You can buy our video course, or you can buy a PDF. Okay. But for starters, if you are so green about this stuff, I would recommend you go for one-on-one or the video course. Okay, because they are more like interactive more than the PDF, right? Though the PDF is cheap. So that's what I can say about this course. But this is a skill you can earn, and this is a skill you can learn and earn for the rest of your life, and you don't have to really do this full time. Me, I really write once in a while. I think in a week I get time, and I write once in a while at night. I'm a kind of a programmer, so I kind of do a lot of stuff. I own a company for designing, so I really don't have time to really write a lot. But if you're kind of a person who's aggressive about writing, you can earn even times 10 than what I'm earning. Okay. I really don't want to exaggerate anything. I usually earn between like $200 to $300 a month, but I think I'm going to try to pull out my socks so that I think I try to kind of to pull it up to 1,000 before December, because I just have to do like times three the articles that I have in my website actually. If I have like 150 articles, I'm going to try to do like times three. Those will be like maybe 600 articles, something like that. Okay. So so that is it. But AdSense can really give you a lot of money. You just have to learn how to create unique content. In this course, we help you with the blog site. We help you with the process of how to apply to these guys, because there are technical stuff that they will tell you to do to install in your website. So we do all that support. We give you the theme to work, and we stay with you. After the training, you're not like, okay, you're done, go away. No, we stay with you throughout the process, okay? So that is it. If you're interested in this course, I think you reach out to me. Then we see how we can do it. Everyone, I think, should learn how to write about stuff online, because this is free money and Google is paying a lot of money every year to people. It's in billions, okay? And Google needs people to have these blogs, because Google needs to put ads on people's blogs. Okay, this is like, I call this passive income, because this is something you can do and you pause maybe 2 years, 5 years, and you still earn money. Okay, so I really, really recommend it, everyone, even if you're too busy, but I think you can spare your lunchtime to do some 2 or 3 articles, or maybe at night. I think this is worthy. Okay, this is really worthy in the long run. So it's better if you have some passive income ideas that can really help you. Okay. So that is it, guys. If you're ready for this course, you reach out to me, then we can arrange. All right. If you want a video course, you can learn. You can buy the video course, or you can do one-on-one. All right. Then we do it. Other courses we do, like how to get donors online. Okay. If you're maybe marketing an NGO, if you have a personal NGO, we also have another course for how to market your tours and travel. Okay, how to market your tours and travel business. Okay, and we have also for the YouTube, how to become a YouTuber and make money. Okay, so that is it, guys. See you. We shall talk. All right, we shall talk, and bye bye.